Hey guys, today I'm going to learn how to check scene history in Chrome, and all you have to do is to launch the Chrome application. And from there, I'm going to tap on the three dots, and I'm going to tap on history. From there, in the case that I do have any searches, I'm going to show you then here. Another alternative that I can actually try is heading back and searching for my activity. Go as you can see, I had already searched for it. I'm going to tap on it, going to tap on my activity, and I'm going to tap on web on the history, and I'm going there. I am going to tap on manage all web and app activity. And from there, I'm going to see every search that I did visit in the past few days or today. From there, I can decide to either filter by date when it comes to deleting it, either by last hour, last day or time, or custom range, or I can just set the auto delete on. From there, that's it for this video, and thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.